In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of text on CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where the color controls live and how to get clean, readable results that match your video's look. First, open CapCut. Launch the app or web editor and open the project you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new project and drop a clip or background onto the timeline so you can see your text against something real. Give the timeline a second to load, and make sure your playback window is visible so you can preview changes in real time. Next, add text. Select the text tool and choose to add default text. Type what you want your viewers to see, then position it where it makes sense on the screen. You can adjust the size by dragging the corners and pick a font that fits your style. The key thing here is to make sure the text layer is selected on the timeline. That's what tells CapCut to show the correct editing options for your text. Now, go to Basic and select Color. With your text highlighted, look for the Text Editing panel. On desktop, this panel typically appears on the right side. On mobile, it shows along the bottom. Find the Basic section, then locate the Color option. This opens the color controls, where you'll see quick swatches, a color wheel or slider, and sometimes an input for hex values. If you're matching brand colors, paste the exact hex code. If you're matching your footage, use the eyedropper to sample a hue directly from your video. Finally, change the color now. Click or tap a swatch to apply it immediately, and watch the preview update. Slide through hues and saturation until the text feels clear and consistent with your scene. Scrub the timeline and check a few frames to ensure your color stays readable as the background changes. High contrast choices, like light text on dark footage or dark text on bright footage, usually work best. If the color you love isn't popping, try slightly adjusting brightness or saturation, rather than jumping to a different hue. For multiple text layers, apply the same color to each for a cohesive look, or intentionally vary colors to indicate sections or speakers. CapCut usually remembers your recent colors, making it easy to reuse them throughout the project. That's it. Open CapCut, add your text, head to Basic and select Color, then choose the shade that tells your story best. Take a moment to preview the result and you're done. Thanks for watching and happy editing.